Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. The votes are in. Thank you all who participated. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products in my Instagram stories. And everyone will have a chance to vote which one is their favorite. Also, keep on watching to find out how you can get featured in next week's video. Just wanted to remind you to give this video a thumbs up, and now let's talk about the products. First one up is Algenist Genius Collagen, a calming relief. It's 1.35 ounces, sold at, of course, algenist.com, Sephora, and Amazon. This is $58. Woo! Amazing. Expires in 12 months. It is hypoallergenic and gluten-free. It is vegan, but not cruelty-free. So, yeah. As in, this is plant-based, but at the same time, they may still test on animals. A strong but gentle restoring cream treatment. It is formulated to treat mild skin discomforts. Can be used on all skin types, even sensitive skin. Comforts dryness, roughness, tightness, and redness. Your skin will feel hydrated and protected. Good. As for the fragrance, I don't really smell anything. Nada. It doesn't say fragrance free, but it doesn't say anything about fragrance at all, to be honest. But there are a lot of extracts in here and things like that, so not really smelling anything. Yeah, if there is any scent, it smells very light. Very light. Maybe my nose is not working today. It has active vegan collagen to help reduce irritation and stress-induced aging skin. Also, algorinic acid, a patented ingredient from algae, helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles, giving you hydration while fighting the environmental pollution hitting your face. Yeah. Last one they want you to know about is calendula. It is known for anti-inflammation properties. Interesting word. This plant calms and soothes the redness. So they have results for this. Yay! The results start at 10 days and was performed on around 86 people, I believe. Yeah. A lot of people, and all those people apparently were using it twice a day,
which is the recommended, but yeah.
So to begin, 93% say that their skin did feel calm and soothed. 87% did feel like their skin was softer, silkier, and even healthier. 86% says that moisture did feel like it was being held into the skin, and the condition of the skin did improve.
Gotta feel glowy. Am I right?
84% said it feels smooth, less rough, and at least 3 out of 4 people see less redness. Wow. Now, 28 days later, like the movie, go see it. Yeah. It's scary though, if you're not into scary movies. 92% says it feels like it restored skin's elasticity. 90% feel like moisture improved. And 88% this time feel like their skin felt softer, silkier, and more glowy, aka healthier. Yeah. 84% feel like their skin felt balanced and more clear. And 83% feel like their skin is more calm and more soothed and more bouncier, even more stronger and less sensitive. Interesting. Okay, so first thing up, wash your face, which I did. Ugh, my face is all nice and clean. Alright, and then we put this on. Bring my hair forward. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, look at these guns. Look at these guns. Yeah.
Just kidding. Now I'm going to put it on this side of my face. So yes, you want to cleanse your face first. Make sure you're nice and dry afterwards. Basically just cleanse. Skip the toner. You want to use this. And you definitely want to use this like twice a day if you are having any issues. If you want to see really good results, basically. But have no fear. It does say you can use as needed. So, in other words, most likely I will probably just use it at nighttime if I want to. Well, the first few times, so I can see results, I would like to use it twice a day. Then, once I'm getting those results, I usually only use it once a day, and that will be night.
Always night.
So what I want to do, I don't really have any problem areas, so I'm just going to apply it all over my skin with a thin layer. Okay. But if there is a problem area, like a really problematic area that you want to take care of, then you just want to directly put it on that spot like that and leave on as a treatment. After this, they do say that you can follow up with a moisturizer, which I will do. And of course, avoid the eyes. Yep. If you are going to follow up with a moisturizer, make sure you allow this to, get soaked up in your skin. Give it a few minutes and then add the moisturizer. Yes, let them do their thing. Next one up is Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. The one I have here is a sample size 0.17 ounces. Of course, the other one is bigger, don't worry. There is a 1 ounce bottle and a 1.7 ounce bottle. Can be purchased at, of course, SundayRiley.com, Sephora, Ulta Beauty, and even Amazon. Great that these both are legit on Amazon too. The 1 ounce bottle is $85 and the 1.7 ounce bottle is $122. I will be using the sample as long as I can. Should last you around 12 months. It is cruelty-free, vegan, and fragrance-free. Also, sulfate, paraben, gluten, phthalate, and soy-free. You can't see my OMG. No. It is a multitasking lactic acid treatment that exfoliates dull, pore-clogging skin. Should boost radiance while it reduces fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots in 3 minutes. Wow, 3 minutes, guys. Instantly clarified to give smooth and clear skin when dead cells are being removed. It should leave you with even skin tone. It is meant for normal, dry, combination, and even oily skin. As I said before, has purified lactic acid. It is the most hydrating AHA, meaning alpha hydroxy acid. Yeah. The lactic acid exfoliates the surface layer of the skin. It will help fight the buildup of dead cells building up on your skin here, and of course all of the sebum on there, the oily stuff. Yeah. If you don't treat all that stuff, then it will give you skin bumps, skin congestions, blackhead, even acne. Has licorice, which will give you natural brightness and radiance. Lemongrass, which is a skin refresher or an astringent, will help tone your complexion. Arnica will soothe the skin, making it less discomfort. And last is a prickly pear extract, a desert cactus, to help also soothe your skin. The results of this doesn't say how many people they tested on, but it is within those 3 minutes, like after 3 minutes. This is the results. Apparently right away. Not sure how many days, I guess just the 1 day, I don't know. So it says after 3 minutes, 100% said their skin felt smoother and more radiant and less wrinkles and fine lines. Less fine lines. And this is funny. And 100% that this is the most effective product they've ever used and that they will highly recommend it to somebody else. Highly recommended.
100%, all of them. Interesting.
Okay, now we are going to use it on this side of my beautiful face. Yes. Okay. So if you have normal skin, basically all skin types, but the sensitive ones, it's 1 to 2 pumps. Also comes out really creamy as well. Maybe a little bit more watery. Again, after you cleanse, You want to make sure your skin is nice and dry. Skip the toner. And then just apply. Of course, you can use this 2 times a day and night. If you don't want to, that's okay. Then, after you're done with this, you want to leave it on. Just leave it on as a treatment overnight, most likely. During the day is fine, it doesn't show up. But do not moisturize afterwards. They just want you to use this to let it really work, do its thing. So if you have sensitive skin though, that's a whole nother story. 1 to 2 pumps still, same thing after you cleanse, dry skin, but you don't leave it on overnight. You don't leave it on during the day. You need to wash it out after 15 minutes. You rinse it off and then you just pat dry. Pat, pat, pat. Clean yourself. And that's it. Alright. I'll let you know if I'm younger in 3 minutes. Don't think so. But yeah, I'm sure it's doing its thing. Okay, that's it. We're done. Now we're going to get to the results. Oh yeah, results. Okay, here we go. By the way, forgot to mention, they changed the poll results on Instagram, so it's going to look a little different, but it's basically the same thing. They just changed the look of it. Okay. And the winner is 100% Algenist. Woo woo! You are the winner. Yeah, the winner right here. Congratulations, you are the winner. Congratulations, you are not. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. This little sample guy. You are amazing, and yes, you are clarifying my skin right now as we speak. Those 3 minutes are still going. There you go. And Algenist, you are the winner. You are apparently, to the people, amazing. Not really too sure why the people love you, because I don't have comments, people's opinions on Instagram. But here on YouTube, I do. So now it's your turn. Let me know which one was your favorite, whether you liked Algenist and you agree on the results, or you like Sunday Riley and you feel like they should have won. What do you feel? Go ahead, let me know in the comments below and tell me which one is your favorite, and I will feature you in next week's video. Yeah, let me know why you use Algenist or why you use Sunday Riley. I know a lot of people use Sunday Riley. A lot of people. So I was surprised that this didn't win. Sunday Riley was like way up there until they did the review thingy at Sephora. But they're usually way up there. Yeah, that's a whole nother drama, by the way. This week we do not have any features, unfortunately, but that's okay. You guys can still check out last week's video and give it a thumbs up and comment just for fun. Yeah, leave comment for fun. Yeah. And that's it. That's all for now. Thank you guys again. Thank you for those who voted on Instagram. And oh yes, thank you for voting for the Jeffree Star and the Gwen Stefani makeup thing. I have an idea of what I want to make on that video now. And yes, that's all. Thank you again. See you guys next week, and keep on loving makeup and keep on rocking. Yeah, bye.